This is my Perplexity Pro billing, and instead of $20, I could pay the service for just $10 a month, which is a massive 50% discount from the original pricing. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily apply this discount code when subscribing to Perplexity Pro for the first time. And here's how you can do it. Okay, first you have to open this link on the browser. Don't worry, I'm going to put the link in the video description and also the pinned comment, so you can scroll down and check this link. And by the way, I just want to put the disclaimer here that this is my referral link, and basically if you subscribe to the Pro subscription using this link, you will get the $10 discount, which equals to 50% discount of the monthly subscription. But I will also get a $10 discount when I'm renewing my Pro subscription. So we got the benefit. I think this is a good thing for both parties, but it's really up to you whether or not you want to sign up using this link. Now I'm going to demonstrate what would happen if you are trying to subscribe to the Pro subscription using this link. So let me just copy this link, and I'm going to open a different browser session. This is actually a different account, so I'm going to close this one. Let's close the page, and if I right click and then paste the link that I have copied earlier, you'll see that the $10 credit has been applied. So if I continue with the Pro subscription, you will see that the discount code will be applied on the payment page instantly. So there is no code, it's actually applied behind the scenes. So when you're paying, you only pay for $10 a month, which is, I think, a good thing. Now, what would happen if you're subscribing without using the link? So let me demonstrate to you. I'm going to close the page and I'm going to open Perplexity, and I will subscribe using the normal method. Okay, usually you have to click on the Learn More page. This will open a window like this. I'm going to continue with Pro. And this is the payment page. And as you can see, I have to pay for $20. So that's the benefit of using the link. You will get the code and you can pay for half the price. It is, I think, a good deal. So yeah, that's basically it. You have to use this link in order to get a $10 discount when subscribing on Perplexity Pro for the first time. But anyway, if you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.